Welcome to Leading Edge 120. This is Maureen Metcalf, joined by Greg Moran, and we're talking about the current events of our week. I just came back from Amazon's Delivering the Future 2023 conference, and one of the things, Greg, that struck me was the commitment to EVs and sustainability across the range. So 100,000 Rivian vans per year for the next decade, Volvo 18-wheelers, electric drones, even electric bikes. So across the spectrum, everything appears to be electric. So can you give us your thoughts about how the scale of Amazon will impact this?
Yeah, what I love about what companies like Amazon are doing in this space is, honestly, we're at a point in the curve from an innovation standpoint where the actual sustainability impact of investing in the development and deployment of all electric vehicles, we're not yet at the point of significant return on investment for that, both from a sustainability standpoint and from a financial standpoint. The reality is that the only way we'll ever get to those points of the curve is when large-scale companies that have the means, like Amazon, who can afford the early inefficiency of innovations like that, make those kind of investments. And so for me, this is really exciting because it's on the adoption end. We have a ton of innovation going on the manufacturing and design side, but now we've got a company with the scale of Amazon that's making this kind of investment that's going to drive the commercial viability of these vehicles in meaningful ways that will then get us to the sustainability benefits in the long term. And so to me, kudos to Amazon for leading the way and being willing to absorb some of the early inefficiencies of this innovation.